Welcome to Fabits. The recipe I'm sharing today can be described in just 3 words: wholesome, delicious, and elegant. Enjoy watching. Start with roasting cashews on a pan and let them completely cool. Crush the roasted cashews on parchment paper and forget about them for a moment. Chop the iceberg lettuce and leave it on a cutting board. Combine pre-washed baby spinach, arugula, and chopped iceberg in a large bowl to have space and make mixing of the greens easier. Peel the turnip and slice half of it into 1/8-inch thick slices, then julienne them. Add the turnips to the bowl of mixed greens. Season with salt and pepper, mix again, and set aside. For the dressing, combine olive oil, apple cider, maple syrup, and garlic powder in the jar with tightly closing lid. Give it a shake and add to the bowl of greens and turnips. Mix all the ingredients. Transfer the salad into a large serving platter. Spread the roasted crushed cashews over the salad. Sprinkle with fresh lime juice. Serve with a protein dish of your choice. And enjoy!